So, good morning from Now Zen TV in Tuscany. So we're just in the beautiful Tuscany region, photographing this great location, very famous location. It's the Peruzzo Massimini in the Val D'Orchia. And it's a beautiful location. I'll just give you a quick look around. Here you've got the rows of cypress trees leading up a winding path on this beautiful wheat field, and then up on the hill, the farmhouse. So we're just photographing this. We're going to get the wheat field in first with some movement on a slow exposure. Wait for the sun just to come up over that hill and just light up the farmhouse, and then we shall also shoot some from up along the Cypress Line Drive up to the house. So I hope you enjoy this video. I shall record myself shooting it with the Action 5 camera on top of the SL3, which I'm using a 21mm lens for this particular shot at f8 with varying shutter speeds, and I'm also using a nice amber sunset filter just to give us a little bit more glow. So at the moment my settings are 1/4 of a second, f8, ISO 50 on a 21mm Super Apo lens, which is a beautiful lens, very nice and contrasty. So I'm down 1/4 of a second, so I'm using the app with the release to fire off the shutter, and I'm just getting a little bit of movement with the wheat field. As you can see on the video, the light's developing nicely. It's not yet lit up the house, but that will happen in a very short space of time. The sun's now starting to come up, and once we've shot this, we're going to move on to another location where what we found, where we went last night, but it was just too dark to get anything, so we went and had a beer instead, as you do, and a whiskey. And happened last night, it happened to be a 14-year-old limited edition Glenfiddich. So if you've got any interest in whiskey, if you've got any interest in photography, interest in video, landscape photography, or travel in general, hook us up, leave us a comment, tell us what you like, tell us what you'd like to see, and yeah, let's engage. See you for now. Bye bye. Oh, now we've got some wind, look at that. So now just come and shooting from a different angle. The light's really nice now. It's picking up on the farmhouse. So we're just shooting it with a 50mm at f8, 1/100th of a second, 100 ISO. I'm just getting a nice 50mm framing. And the light's looking great on the farmhouse. Looking great over the hills of Tuscany. And step back a touch. Just giving some various exposures. Oh, my kit needs a clean, the sensor's filthy from taking the lens on and off. In Venice yesterday, I expect, is where the main issues were caused. Rather dusty and dry place. Now the nice lights happening, we're going to take a drive back and go and get some scenic shots out up at a location we found. So we'll check back in with you shortly. I'll just see about a landscape composition. In fact, do you know what I'm going to do before we leave here? I'm going to put a drone up while light's nice like this. Let's get the drone up. So we'll check back in with you in a short while, folks. We're just going to put the drone up. Hope you enjoyed the drone video. Smell out here is incredible. Smells of, I don't know, raspberries or something. Just incredible. I can So, folks, this is the famous driveway to the movie Gladiator when is it Russell Crowe, and he goes up between those cypress lime trees to find his son and his wife murdered.